This is Daytona Beach, Florida. Let's watch the Fords go by to victory. From a standing start, a 300 horsepower 1957 Ford V8 out-accelerated every other low-priced car. A stock Ford Thunderbird took first place in its class for the flying mile, outperforming all American production sports cars. In the National Amateur Sports Car Race, a modified Thunderbird finished first in its class, topping every American sports car and winning the Paul Whiteman and Sports Illustrated trophies. And a modified Thunderbird won 2 unlimited classes against all American and European competition. It made the flying mile in the fastest time recorded by any car at Daytona, and in the standing mile out-accelerated all other cars in Daytona Beach history. Another mark was made by this 1957 Ford Sunliner, which beat all other low-priced cars in the 160-mile National Convertible Championship. It was here at the Indianapolis Speedway where the 1957 Ford scored its first victory of the year. This Ford Custom 300 set a new stock car record for the 500-mile run, a record which no car has beaten yet. But 500 miles was not challenge enough. Here on the salt flats of Bonneville, Utah, a 57 Ford was driven 50,000 miles at an average speed of over 108 miles an hour. After 20 days and nights of running, this Ford had set 458 new world records.